everyone's favorite monkey, is coming to his first ever holiday movie.
George.
When George and the man with the yellow hat go looking for the perfect gift,
George, you ready to make your Christmas list? Is that it?
they'll deck the halls and let it snow.
George. Oh.
On their way to an unforgettable adventure.
George. Oh, no.
Featuring 3 all-new songs. It's the perfect holiday treat to share with your family. Curious George, A Very Monkey Christmas.
Merry Christmas!
Nickelodeon presents Jimmy Neutron, Boy Genius in Calling All Aliens.
Goddard, transport Goodart. Hand, Goddard. Hey, it works! With this matter transporter, I'll never have to worry about missing the school bus again. You can just beam me right into my desk.
Incoming message.
Oh, it's a message from deep space.
Deciphering message.
Yes, this is what I've been waiting for all my life. Contact with an advanced alien race.
Decipher nearing completion.
They're never gonna believe this at school, Goddard. School, Goddard. School, Goddard. Yeah! I love it! And a message is coming from outer space! Yeah! And when I got home, the message from space had been erased, so I didn't get to hear it.
We're pretty high up here, Jimmy. I think I kind of, sort of prefer low.
There. I patched into Retroville's power grid. We are going to use all the lights in Retroville to spell out a greeting to our alien brothers. Watch this, Carl. Let's try something else. I got it.
Wow. Do you think the aliens can really see it from space?
No problem, Carl. I'll just turn up the juice and... Whoops.
Santa Claus, you're early and you're filthy. Big elf.
I'll contact those aliens yet.
Jimmy, I just got the Ultra Lord talking wristwatch. It has over 27 different Ultra Lord sayings. Look,
Saying number 1.
isn't that cool?
Yeah, it's cool, Sheen.
Hey, is that a telescope?
It's my yellow scope. It amplifies your voice 34 million times so you can send messages across the galaxy. Watch. Greetings from Earth!
Hey, maybe it's 34 million times louder to only dogs.
Wonder what's wrong. This should work. The hypersynchro filament is in alignment with the cauterized cooling coil.
Maybe it's because the on switch isn't on. Hey, Jimmy, it worked! I don't know about outer space, but we sure made contact with Mr. and Mrs. Appleby.
Look, Libby, Jimmy's making a nerdmobile. Hold up, Cindy. That is clearly a nerd rocket mobile.
Good morning, Libby. Oh, Miss Vortex, I see they let you out of your cage early today.
What are you doing anyway, Jercules?
Well, this is probably a little over your boy band swooning heads. But I'm testing a rocket so we can fly high enough to launch a communication satellite.
We? Yeah, what incredible imbecile would ride with you in that junk heap?
Is it ready yet, Jimmy?
Ready, Carl? Blast off!
Is this Mars?
See you, space boy!
Are you sure about this, Jimmy?
Absolutely, Carl. The chimney provides a perfectly stable launching platform.
Okay. Jimmy, why do I have this toaster again?
I told you it's not a toaster, Carl. It's a communication satellite.
Oh, okay. Yeah. But why do you want to communicate with Toast?
Oh, never mind, Carl. Just fasten your seatbelt.
I don't know about this, Jimmy. And besides, you promised to help me with math today.
Oh, okay, fair enough, Carl.
Okay, all right.
What's 25 minus 20?
5.
16 minus 12?
4.
What? 3 times 1?
3.
6 divided by 3?
2.
2 minus 1?
1.
Are you ready for our play date together?
Get ready for more Way Great play dates in these and other Blues Room titles, now on DVD and VHS. Sing along with Blue, Rory, Polka Dots, and the whole gang. Each features a full-length episode from inside Blues Room, and you know what that means.
I can talk to you.
That's right. See Blue and all of her friends tell stories, play pretend, and host special play dates. There's plenty of excitement in store as you and Blue journey to magical faraway places in beyond your wildest dreams.
Do you know about Hug Day?
And in It's Hug Day, Blue and pals learn why it's great to hug and what it means to appreciate their friends.
I'm gonna give my Hug Day card to you.
Then in the special video Alphabet Power, you and Blue will learn all about the ABCs.
ABC. It's the word cat. Wow.
It's Blues Room on DVD and VHS. Share the magic with your loved ones today. Some titles are in stores now, and more are coming soon.
I had a great play date with you.